Hey guys, it's Crafty Cat. So today I'm going to show you how to draw these cup noodles in Procreate with a free color palette, which will be linked in the description box below. But before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to DIY Dolphin and Manasvi2 who have been supporting me throughout my channel. I will leave their channel links in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to them. If you want to be featured in my next video, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below when you're done. So let's get back to the tutorial. So to start off with, I'm going to draw two diagonal lines and a line at the bottom that represents the cup, but for the top I'm going to make two larger sides and make a rectangle out of them. So next I'm going to create a new layer, and on this layer I'm going to draw some half-shape circles, and I'm going to draw two of them. One of them is going to be in front and one of them is going to be behind, and inside those I'm going to draw more. You can draw as many as you want. After you resize that and made it however you want, I'm going to draw some diagonal lines and a line at the top, and these are some chopsticks, and I would recommend making them a little bit bigger than I made. And then I'm going to add some detail at the rim of the cup. I'm just going to draw some diagonal lines on those. Next, I'm going to create another layer, and on this layer is the coloring. So I'm going to color on the inside of the cup, which is the lightest orange color, and also this is beneath all the layers. Then I want to add some shadows, so you're going to take that darker orange color, and I'm just going to add a shadow on the left and on the bottom. You can also do the right. Then also creating another layer, I'm going to take that bright reddish orange color and I'm going to fill in every other box with those, and I'm going to be skipping one each time. Then taking the slighter darker color and I'm going to fill in those empty boxes. Then when I did those, I'm going to take the darkest color, and on those darker colors I'm going to add some shadows, and with the lightest orange color I'm going to add the shadow of the middle darkest color. Another layer, and on this layer I'm going to use that light yellow color and just fill in the top half circle. Then again, I'm going to take the darker color and I'm just going to add a shadow on the top half circle. And since I have a lot of them, I'm just going to be doing the top one. You can do 2, 3, depending on how much half circles you have. Then I'm going to take a brown color and I'm going to color that in for the chopsticks. And again, I'm going to add more shadows. So I'm going to take that darker brown color and I'm going to add shadows on the left. So the last thing I'm going to do is group every single one of these layers, and I'm going to move it into the center. So this is how it turned out. It's very simple, and remember you can download the color palette. It is the first link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!